Are gold IRAs safe? The short answer is yes. Gold has a long history of being a valued asset, unlike more recent investment opportunities like cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Investors find gold to be particularly alluring during periods of high inflation or economic ambiguity. Full disclosure, this information may not all be accurate, as market and policy changes may happen from the time this video has been published. So here's how gold IRAs are safe. 1. They offer portfolio protection. Gold is the most attractive investment as it correlates to other assets. Even when the market crashes, the value of gold will most likely remain the same. 2. Gold has fast liquidity. Gold offers immediate liquidity compared to other investments, as it does not fluctuate much. It can be liquidated on short notice, but if you have real estate investments and need money, you cannot sell a house on the spot. But in the case of gold, just call your gold IRA company and exchange the gold for money. 3. It's great for diversification. Stocks and bonds have proven volatile during high times of inflation, but gold prices remain stable for long periods of time. However, it sometimes experiences an increase in value during these times of economic uncertainty, and its value goes down to normal when the economy gets stable. The point is that gold is far more stable than other investments during volatile market conditions. 4. It offers long-term security. Gold has been around for thousands of years and will stay for 1,000 more. It was used as a currency for many years, and the chance of it becoming obsolete is very rare due to it being used in many manufacturing and tech industries. That is why it provides a strong hedge during inflation, as its prices face an increment in economic crashes. While opting for gold IRA, remember that you have a self-directed IRA account. You must be more involved in all of the procedures of setting one up. Do research while finding a custodian to hand over your account, and do not transfer all of your funds into an IRA account. So if you'd like to learn more, you can get a free gold IRA kit by visiting the website shown in this video or in the description. This kit contains valuable information for starting a new account, adding assets to it, and picking a custodian. Instructions on how to buy gold and other precious metals, store them, and withdraw money from the account could also be included in the kit. If you found our video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.